Space exploration is one of humanity's greatest endeavors. It's a testament to our curiosity and our desire to understand the universe and our place within it. One of the most exciting frontiers in space exploration is the search for life beyond Earth. Could there be other planets out there similar to our own where life could flourish? The discovery of thousands of exoplanets orbiting distant stars has fueled our imagination. These planets, many of which are located in the so-called habitable zone of their stars, hold the potential for life as we know it. The habitable zone is the region around a star where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist on the surface of a planet. Among these distant worlds, one planet has captured our attention, Kepler-22b. It's a super-Earth, a planet larger than our own, but smaller than a gas giant, and it orbits within the habitable zone of its star, Kepler-22. Could this be the second Earth we've been searching for? Kepler-22b is located about 600 light-years away from Earth in the constellation Cygnus. That's incredibly far away. The journey to Kepler-22b with our current technology would take many generations, but the possibility of finding another habitable planet, perhaps even one teeming with life, is a powerful motivator. Discovered in 2011 by the Kepler Space Telescope, Kepler-22b was the first confirmed planet found to orbit within the habitable zone of a Sun-like star. This discovery was a major milestone in the search for extraterrestrial life. It provided further evidence that planets like ours, capable of supporting life, could be common throughout the universe. Kepler-22b is about 2.4 times the radius of Earth and has a mass estimated to be about 36 times that of Earth. Its orbital period, or the time it takes to complete one orbit around its star, is about 290 Earth days. This means that a year on Kepler-22b is slightly shorter than a year on Earth. While Kepler-22b shares some similarities with Earth, it also has some significant differences. These differences raise questions about its true habitability. One key difference is its size. Kepler-22b is significantly larger than Earth, which suggests that it might have a much stronger gravitational pull. This stronger gravity could have a significant impact on the planet's atmosphere and surface conditions. It's possible that Kepler-22b has a much thicker atmosphere than Earth, which could trap more heat and lead to a runaway greenhouse effect. This would make the planet too hot to support life as we know it. Another important factor to consider is the composition of Kepler-22b's atmosphere. We don't yet know for sure what gases are present in its atmosphere, but if it has a thick atmosphere composed primarily of carbon dioxide, as is the case with Venus, it's unlikely that it could support life. Despite these uncertainties, the possibility that Kepler-22b could be habitable remains intriguing. If it has a more Earth-like atmosphere with the right balance of gases, it's possible that liquid water could exist on its surface, and where there's water, there's always the potential for life. The discovery of Kepler-22b, another potentially habitable exoplanets, has spurred our interest in interstellar travel. The vast distances between stars present a formidable challenge, but it's a challenge that we may one day be able to overcome. Currently, our fastest spacecraft would take tens of thousands of years to reach Kepler-22b. Clearly, we need to develop new technologies if we want to make interstellar travel a reality within a human lifetime. One promising avenue of research is in the field of advanced propulsion systems. Concepts like fusion propulsion, antimatter propulsion, and even warp drives, though still in the realm of science fiction, offer the potential for significantly faster space travel. Section 5. Seeking life beyond Earth. While reaching Kepler-22b might be a distant possibility, our search for life beyond Earth continues with renewed vigor. Space telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope, launched in 2021, are providing us with unprecedented views of distant planets. The James Webb Space Telescope, with its powerful infrared capabilities, is able to analyze the atmospheres of exoplanets, looking for the telltale signs of life. By studying the light that passes through an exoplanet's atmosphere, we can identify the chemical fingerprints of different gases, including those that might indicate the presence of life. In addition to telescopes, future missions are being planned to explore our own solar system for signs of life. Moons like Europa, orbiting Jupiter, and Enceladus, orbiting Saturn, are thought to harbor vast oceans of liquid water beneath their icy surfaces, making them prime candidates in the search for extraterrestrial life. Section 6. Could we adapt to Kepler 22b? Let's imagine for a moment that we could reach Kepler 22b. Could we survive on this alien world? The answer depends on a number of factors, many of which are still unknown. One of the biggest challenges would be adapting to the planet's gravity. If Kepler 22b does indeed have a much stronger gravitational pull than Earth, our bodies would have to work harder to move around. Over time, this could lead to health problems such as muscle atrophy and bone loss. We might need to develop new technologies or genetic modifications to help us adapt to this alien environment. Another challenge would be the availability of resources. We would need to find sources of water, food, and breathable air. It's possible that Kepler 22b has its own unique life forms that could provide us with sustenance, but we would need to be cautious. Alien life forms could be toxic or even dangerous to humans. Section 7. Building a home away from home. If we were to colonize Kepler 22b, we would need to create a self-sustaining environment where humans could live and thrive. This would require advanced technologies and innovative solutions to overcome the challenges of living on an alien planet. One possibility would be to build enclosed habitats that could provide us with a controlled environment. These habitats could be designed to mimic Earth's atmosphere, temperature, and even day-night cycles. We could grow food, recycle water, and generate energy within these enclosed environments, creating a closed-loop system that would minimize our impact on the planet. Another approach would be to terraform Kepler 22b, transforming its environment to make it more Earth-like. This would be a monumental task, requiring us to alter the planet's atmosphere, temperature, and possibly even its surface features. While terraforming is still within the realm of science fiction, it's a concept that continues to capture our imagination. Section 8. The future of humanity among the stars. The search for life beyond Earth and the possibility of colonizing other planets raise profound questions about the future of humanity. Will we become a spacefaring civilization, venturing out into the cosmos to explore new worlds and expand our reach among the stars? The challenges are daunting, but so too are the potential rewards. The discovery of life beyond Earth would be one of the most profound discoveries in human history, fundamentally changing our understanding of our place in the universe, and the possibility of colonizing other planets offers a glimmer of hope for the long-term survival of our species. As we continue to explore the universe and unravel its mysteries, we must proceed with caution and respect for the worlds we encounter. The search for life beyond Earth is a search for knowledge, understanding, and perhaps even a reflection of ourselves. Section 9. A journey worth taking. The journey to Kepler. 22b and other potentially habitable planets may be long and fraught with challenges, but it's a journey worth taking. It's a testament to our insatiable curiosity, our thirst for knowledge, and our unyielding hope for a future among the stars. As we gaze up at the night sky filled with countless stars and the possibility of countless worlds, we are reminded that we are part of something much greater than ourselves. The universe is vast and full of wonder, and our exploration of it has only just begun.